everyone, I made this fruit and veggie salad using these following things: 2 apples, 1 kiwi, 1 tomato, 1 pear. First, I cut the fruits in slices. Then I placed them one after other in fruit serving tray. As you can see, I placed a layer of apples, then decorated it with some kiwi and tomato slices. Made a carrot vegetable bridge, bordered the salad with pear. Light garnishing has been done with chilgozas and raisin. Now let's enjoy these pear fingers. Its nutritional values are approx total 287 calories, 25 gram fats, 4 grams protein, 70 grams carbohydrates, 192 mg of sodium per 100 gram of serving. Thank you.